If you're tired of spending hours filling out the same job applications over and over again, LinApBot can help automate much of that process. Instead of manually completing every application, the extension helps you search for matching job opportunities and automatically submit applications based on the information you provide. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set it up and start using it from scratch. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is visit the official LinApBot website. Once you're there, click on Start for Free. Although LinApBot also offers paid subscription plans with additional features, in this tutorial we'll be using the free version so you can see how it works before deciding whether to upgrade. After clicking Start for Free, you'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Here you'll see the LinApBot extension. Click Add to Chrome, then select Add Extension to install it in your browser. The installation only takes a few seconds. Once it finishes, a welcome screen will appear explaining how LinApBot works. Take a moment to read the introduction so you understand what the extension can do. When you're ready, click Next. The following screen asks you to accept the terms and conditions. Read through them if you'd like, then click Accept and continue to the next step. Now comes one of the most important parts of the setup. LinApBot will ask you to upload your resume in PDF format. Choose the most up-to-date version of your resume and upload it. The extension will automatically analyze your resume and extract important information such as your work experience, education, skills, and other professional details. Depending on the size of your resume, this process may take a few moments. So simply wait until the analysis is complete. Once the extraction finishes, click Next to continue. You'll now be asked to complete a few additional details that may not appear on your resume. For example, you'll need to enter your city and your zip or postal code. Providing accurate location information helps LinApBot find opportunities that match where you're looking to work. The next section allows you to configure your job search preferences. This is where you can customize how the extension searches for jobs on your behalf. For example, you can choose to avoid opportunities from companies you've already worked for, ignore certain job boards, or filter out positions that don't match your interests. These preferences help improve the quality of the recommendations you'll receive. You'll also be asked to write a short professional description. Here you should briefly explain what you do, your professional background, and the type of position you're looking for. The more accurate this description is, the easier it will be for LinApBot to identify jobs that fit your profile. Once you've completed everything, click Start Applying. Now you'll reach the job search screen. Here you'll see your default city already selected, and you'll choose the job title or position you want to apply for. You'll also have the option to select your experience level, indicate whether you're looking for remote work, and choose to prioritize recently published job openings. These filters allow LinApBot to focus on the opportunities that best match your career goals. After configuring your search, click Search. LinApBot will begin scanning available job listings using the information from your resume and the preferences you've just configured. As matching opportunities are found, the extension will automatically begin submitting applications on your behalf whenever they meet your selected criteria. This is what saves the most time compared to applying manually. Instead of opening every listing, uploading your resume, and filling out the same information again and again, LinApBot handles much of the repetitive work for you. If you're using the free plan, it's important to know that you can automatically apply to up to 10 job opportunities. If you want unlimited or higher application limits, you'll need to upgrade to one of the paid subscription plans. Finally, if you'd like to review everything that has been submitted, simply click on the History section located in the upper right corner. Here you'll find every application that LinApBot has submitted for you. You can also open the original job posting to review the position, verify the details, or keep track of your applications during your job search. One final recommendation before you start applying. Even though LinApBot automates much of the process, always make sure your resume is updated and your profile information is accurate. Automation works best when the information it's using reflects your current experience and the type of role you're actually looking for. And that's how you can use LinApBot to automate and speed up your job applications. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.